Yo, I'm C Money. It's Kevin. Welcome to our crib. Effect. First door, right here, 43 Damascus, not really, let's go. David, smoking a sweet blunt.
Whoa,
with some Fruit Loops.
What's going on?
We got a fan. We got a fridge. We got a man. See that? See that? See that? Right here? Right here? That's a painting. Yo, you're from the door. Yo, things get crazy when you're in the crib. Yo, things get crazy in the crib. That's a painting. What? Don't break that door. Oh, we got the next room. Alright, wait. It's all fully working toilet. That's Bearcat. And then we also have a shower. This is where you hang out. You know, you got the classic game system. Nice couch, fold down, go to bed, and nice soft chairs, high quality. Yo, nice. See that? Blanket. Alright, I'll hope you like this episode. Yeah. You can get out of our house now. Thank you. Oh. Don't kill yourself. Watch out! That's our fan! Hey, guys, that's our biggest fan! It's made out of a real black hole. Alright, yeah, you can leave our house now. You can go. Bye.
You
get out of our
destroyed
house.
everything.
Yeah, you made us destroy a door. Look what you've done.